This is a self-closing hinge set for most doors in your house. It's a standard size hinge set that can be used for the door going from the garage into the house, which I might end up using because I got kids, they like to go through that door a lot. It'll work on the front door, back door, most doors in your house if you buy the appropriate size. This is the 4-inch bracket. In the box, you have the little toolkit. There is an Allen key, a tensioner pin, and then a locking pins for all of the hinges. I'll show you how to use those in a minute. You've got packages of screws of different sizes to fit your various needs to attach your hinge to your door frame and your door. Also, you have 3 hinges. And last but not least, but probably the most important thing, is you do have the instructions on how to use these hinges, because once you install them, you do have to load the springs. And like I said, I'll give you a little quick tutorial on that. I don't have a door to install these in, but I will walk you through real quick how to tension these. This particular set is black matte. It's a real pretty black matte hinge. It's got a smooth action on it, and that's what that is. So here's the kit. I have my 3-door hinges, the screws to attach the hinge to the door and the frame. This is the Allen key you're gonna need to put tension on the hinge, and a tensioner rod, and then a holding pin. Here you see you have multiple holes here, and there's a spot for your Allen key here. Now this is the black matte. I really like this color, and it feels really nice and heavy. There's a couple of different ways that you can tension this hinge. You can either use the Allen wrench, and you can rotate it, and you can see the holes lining up there, and then you can take and drop your locking pin in. There's also a tensioner. If you can't really get to the Allen wrench, depending on the way your door is installed, you can drop this tensioner in here, like so, and then you can pull it over like this. And I'm gonna need to go a little bit shallower with that. You put the tensioner in, pull it over, and you can drop your pin in. That's gonna lock it into place. And now your hinge, it has tension on it. I'm gonna have to get a little tool here. All right, so you can see I can get my hinge open now, but it does have tension on it, and it will snap you now. But if you have that on your door, that will close the door for you and make it a self-closing door. So that's a nice hinge to make any door in your house self-closing without having to have large pieces of hardware. It's a great hinge for that. So if you have a door that you want to close on its own, this is a good set of hinges to swap out your regular hinges with.